An attempt by 200 employees to unionize. Here's NPR's Elizabeth Blair.
Elizabeth Blair, NPR News. Writing about your divorce.
They were offering the game with not hundreds but thousands of unique, non-repeating bingo cards. A phenomenon was born.
And what does the shirt say?
I don't know.
To an endangered species.
There really were Yankee Republicans back in the day.
Amtrak 501 Los Angeles, 2115.
Did you see that link, that video that Uncle Jesse sent you?
Yeah.
What was it a video of?
I don't know, man. Hold on.